Let's be honest, you want your website to rank on Google. You searched on Fiverr and saw the promises. I will get you number 1 on Google for $100. 5,000 high-quality backlinks guaranteed. Unlimited traffic to your website in 30 days. Here's the mistake that will get your website blacklisted. You believe them. You see a 5-star rating, a cheap price, and you click order now. Frankly, it's SEO snake oil. You're not just wasting $100. You're paying someone to poison your website with toxic links that can get you penalized by Google for years. But what if I told you there's a way to use Fiverr to actually get a massive advantage? A system for finding legitimate professionals who can build a real foundation for your SEO success. This isn't about buying a magic ranking. It's about hiring a professional service the right way. So let's get into it. And a quick heads up, the Fiverr links in the description are affiliate links. Using them helps support this channel at zero extra cost to you, so I can keep making these brutally honest reviews. It's a great way to say thanks. First, you have to understand the trap. The most popular SEO gigs on Fiverr are selling a promise, not a service. And they are almost always a scam. Let's break down the logic. Real SEO, the kind that gets a business to the top of Google, costs thousands of dollars a month. It's a long-term competitive war. So what are you getting for $100? When a seller promises 5,000 backlinks, they're using an automated program to spam your website link across thousands of low-quality garbage websites. This is what's known as a private blog network, or PBN. Here's the thing, Google isn't stupid. Its algorithm is specifically designed to detect and punish this exact kind of manipulation. Instead of helping you, these toxic links act as a giant red flag telling Google your site is spam. The result? Your ranking doesn't go up, it goes down. Or worse, you get removed from the search results entirely. When a seller guarantees traffic, they're often just sending bot traffic. It makes your analytics look good for a week, but it's not real people. It doesn't lead to sales. It's completely worthless. The wrong way is to buy a vague, too good to be true promise. The right way is to stop trying to buy the result and instead hire for the specific professional tasks that lead to the result. This is the exact 3-step system you must follow to find a real SEO pro on Fiverr. Step 1. Hire for tasks, not outcomes. This is the most important mindset shift. Forget gigs that promise number 1 rankings. Instead, you're going to hire for one of 3 foundational SEO tasks. Number 1, a comprehensive SEO audit. This is a diagnostic report of your website's health. Number 2, in-depth keyword research. This is the strategic map for your content. Number 3, competitor analysis. This is the blueprint of what it will take to win. The reason this works is that these are tangible, professional services. A seller can't fake a detailed 20-page audit. They either have the skill or they don't. This is how you filter out 99% of the scammers immediately. Step 2. Vet their brain, not just their reviews. Now that you're looking for an SEO audit or keyword research, you can start vetting sellers. Ignore the flashy promises. Look for proof of expertise. Does their gig description clearly explain their process? A real expert will. Do they show examples of their audit reports or keyword spreadsheets in their portfolio? Here's the pro move. Check their profile for other related gigs. A legitimate SEO professional will almost always offer gigs for audits, keyword research, and on-page SEO. A scammer will usually only offer one thing: backlinks. This tells you everything you need to know about their skill level. Shortlist 3 to 5 sellers who look like they have a real brain and a real process. Step 3. Contact them with one simple question. This is the final test. Do not click order now. Message your shortlisted sellers, send them your website's URL, and ask this one question. Based on a quick look at my website, what do you think is my biggest SEO opportunity? And then you wait. A scammer or a low-quality seller will give you a generic, copy-pasted response. Yes, your SEO is very bad. I can fix it. Please order my premium package. They're trying to close a sale. A true professional will give you a specific, insightful answer. They'll say something like, your page titles are too long, or your mobile site loads slowly, or you're not targeting any keywords with buyer intent. They will give you a small piece of value for free to prove they know what they're talking about. They're starting a professional relationship. That is the person you hire. So, should you hire an SEO expert on Fiverr? If you're looking for a magic button to rank #1 for $100, no, you'll get burned. But if you use this system, if you hire for specific tasks instead of vague promises, if you vet their process and test their expertise before you order, absolutely. You can use Fiverr to get a professional SEO audit, a strategic keyword list, or a deep competitor analysis that can become the roadmap for your entire marketing strategy. And you'll get it for a fraction of what an agency would charge. The secret to Fiverr is not to use it to buy a destination. It's to use it to buy a map. If you're ready to find that expert, the link is in the description below. Using it helps the channel. Now you know the difference between gambling and investing. Go make a smart move.